Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So, it's hot today, 33 degrees. Anniversary namin na aking girlfriend, 5 years. And still going strong. Let's go. Hopefully may surprise natin siya sa ating plano ngayon. Hey guys! Happy anniversary! Let's go! Saan tayo punta ngayon?
I don't know. Joke.
I'll show you guys later.
Yeah.
Let's go guys! O ito, parking na lang. Let's see
Wait.
saan tayo dadalhin ng ating partner na. Let's see. Guys, we're here. So, sa Chingulo pala tayo. Wow! Wow! Sinurprise na naman tayo ng ating partner. Let's see. Let's see what they have to offer. Hindi pa ako nakakain dyan eh. Sila nakapag-Chingulo na, kaso hindi dito. Hey, happy anniversary.
May tao sa loob.
See the foods.
Huh?
Guys, let's see. Good morning.
Good morning.
Guys, beef salticaw and pesto pasta. Tsaka yun, sourdough bread. Let's go. Ano pa tayong more to come. Go. Medium rare ribeye and steamed brown rice.
Let's eat.
Pero ngayon, sinama kanya reaction. Wow. Wow. Kahit doon na lang doon sa may graffiti mo ano. Tinulungan ko lang ng reconsilito. Ang sayo mo. Account mo ba yun? Hindi. Reconsilito ko lang. Tama yung mati. Pati accountant ko eh. Sabali. Short closing. Sabihin. Kalit na pangalan ko siya. This is a system.
Ito din yung pinakamasarap eh.
That allows you to do that. Yung malamig ka. Kailangan din akong
Pero may paet siya.
okay. Gambot. Grabe. Ano nakatin na sa libid ako dito pa gambot. Pesto pa. Hindi. Sakto lang. Cheesy. Oo. Oh, yeah. Sarap. Sarap nga. Ano sabi ko? Pero wala siyang tamis na. Ano to? More on sa ganun. Pero masarap. Okay guys, we're back. Nakakain na sa Chingulo. Dito lang tayo sa loob ng Molito. Dito kasi ano siya, may tambayan para sa for public use. Kahit sino pwede. May piano din kung gusto mo. Tapos, makapag-chill na kami ni partner dito. Meron siya meeting mamaya.
Mamaya pa naman.
Pero yun, ito na yung tanong natin. If you would rate Chingulo out of 10, ano yung masasabi mo?
Nine.
Wow, okay. Akin 8. Yung rice lang talaga nagpatalo eh.
Tama, masarap.
Pero yun guys, rice lang naman issue, pero it's lahat malambot, okay, sarap.
Yay! We got it.
Yay, for the first time.
Kaya na lang. Tayo.
Sige.
Yeah. Haba. Right.
Ganyan yung tsura niya guys, oh. Kamusta experience? Wow. Bagay nga. Yay, love you, happy anniversary.
Ay, meron pa? Wow! Mochi! Wow! Custom?
Gusto mo yan? Ako nagpili ko lang ito.
Si Jagger!
Maybe ako.
Bakit egg?
Wala akong may sa akin eh.
Okay.
Ikaw, pabulitin mo coffee. Akan muna kita.
Uy, hindi na ako coffee person. I'm a change person. So, receive it daw.
Hindi ba siguro?
Ang laki naman.
Yan lang. Wala, bilog siya.
Oh!
Anniversary.
Yay! Wow!
Promise me yan.
Does it?
60 months.
Sige, pwede.
1,800.
Pwede.
5 minutes.
Pwede.
All for this. Hope pregnant.
Where?
Medyo maluwag pala sa'yo.
Pero pag dito. Oh, yan. Ang
Okay.
ganda.
Ano siya yung pinos ko? It will be me. We got it guys. Ayos. Hindi yan halataan.
Ah. Yay.
Let's go.
Walking.
Guys, we're looking for coffee.
Cafe. We need Wi-Fi.
And Wi-Fi and
Pero kaya naman kahit walang Wi-Fi kaso pwede mag-charge. Pero
pro coffee guys. Yun, may saksakan. So guys, we're here now. Nakapag-order tayo ng merienda set. Like croissant and white chocolate ice, tas cafe latte cold ice din. Tapos
Hindi. Chocolate peanut butter bar.
yun, chocolate peanut butter bar. Tikman na natin. Let's go. Here's mga drinks. Masang Hershey's? Ano ba bat talaga? Pambat.
Milky.
Ito yung look niya. Pang-workout to.
Ano yung binigay sa'yo? Yung chocolate.
Ganda. Bagay na yun sa...
Bagay dito.
Ito naman, syempre.
Patikim lang. Uy, matatapos.
Pwede na. Hi guys, we're home. We're with Nico now. And Ate Matty. Look. There. We're now eating snacks, right? After this, we'll watch the series.
A funny series.
Yeah, about dinosaurs, right?
And they fart.
They fart. Yeah, they fart, bro. My man.
At a bird. They fart at a dinosaur.
So that's the update. We're home.
And the fart is green.
Yeah.
And the baby dinosaur fell, but the fart saved him. It boosted him up.
Bro, that's crazy, bro.
And it saved him, and he almost died.
And then we have egg pie, potato, Lola Nenas, matcha and orange juice.
Apple juice.
And apple juice for Nico. Let's go. Okay guys, return back to here. Tapos na yung vlog. So, nag-spend time together with the cousins, watch the movie, and also played Dune. So after that, took her home, si Ate Maddie, and yun, now I'm editing the video, and hopefully you enjoyed the vlog. Okay naman, may new audio setup, pero I think I can still improve on how I use the mic for the voiceovers. Hopefully you like the video. Once again, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys later. God bless. Happy 5th anniversary.